Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: x power 7 plus x power 5 plus x power 3 by x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4 equal to 3. Now we are going to take x power 3 common from this. So x power 3 open bracket, here x power 4 plus x power 2 plus 1. Now here we are going to take x power 4 common. So x power 4 open bracket, x power 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now x power 3 open bracket, x power 4 plus x square plus 1. In denominator, this x power 4 can be written as x power 3 times x open bracket, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now this x power 3 and the x power 3 cancel each other. Now we have x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now we are going to add x square and minus x square, and denominator x open bracket x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now here this x power 4 can be written as x square whole square plus x square and x square here. So 2x square plus 1 minus x square by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now this x square whole square plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square whole divided by x times x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Here x square whole square plus this can be written as 2 times of x square times, we are just multiplied by 1, plus this 1 can be written as 1 square minus x square by x open bracket x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we are going to apply here algebra formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. Now this is a, this is 2ab plus b square. So this whole will come as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square by this x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we are going to apply another algebra formula, that a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Here a, this is b. So x square plus 1 minus x and x square plus 1 plus x by this denominator x, open bracket, x square plus x plus equal to 3. Now this cancels this, so we have x square minus x plus 1, denominator x equal to 3. Now this can be written as x square minus x plus 1 equal to 3x. Now x square minus x, this we are bringing left hand side, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Same way, x square, this is minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this 1 can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Now x square, this can be written as 2 times of x times of 2 plus 2 square minus this 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula that a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square formula. So x minus 2 whole square minus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 whole square, moving this minus 3 right hand side, plus 3. Now taking this square right hand side, so x minus 2 equal to plus or minus square root of 3. Now x equal to, moving this right hand side, 2 plus or minus square root of 3. So we have x equal to 2 plus square root of 3, x equal to 2 minus square root of 3. These are the possible answers for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.